the peeps, so today I will show you how to laminate paper. All the materials are over here. Where is it? What? Oh, I'm blocking it. Oh, yeah. Over here. So let's get to it and show you how to do it. So first, you get your sample paper and put it in this little thing on laminating paper. Next, I'll put it in. See, so just put it in. I don't know if I've seen it, but it's ready. Why is it not? God! Alright, go in, put it in. I know y'all can't see. Basically, you put your sample paper into laminating paper. Alright, so let's see. Make sure it's aligned so you don't mess it up. Come on, like, why is not?
You know how to change this one?
No. Hold on. So you close this up. Make sure the paper parts are in. And then next, you put it in here. Better use both hands, but I'll just one hand because my other hand's using the cam. Just place it in. Make sure sealed edges first because it says so. Check. Bye-bye. And you say hello again on the other side. No. Dude, like, why? It's this side. It should come out laminated like that. The other side versus this. Now it's coming out on the other side. Yeah, come on. It normally feels hard, but it's normal. So it should come out beautiful looking. Sound like that. Have other papers that are laminated. Extras have to deal. Oops. Alright, let's see. Let's go. Sealed edges first. Put it in.
Dokter radiasinya telepon tadi hari Rabu dia available-nya. Kan hari Rabu ini dokter gas jam 9. Dia jam 11.30.
Sorry.
Gitu, tapi daripada
while you're waiting, you can do the others that you didn't.
Rabu lagi. 11.30.
Put the sample. Dude. Oh. There. Open up. Side is open. Just put it in.
Adanya jam 11.30 atau jam 2.30.
Why isn't it open up? Just 4 minutes. And this side is. I guess I'm taking a break from games. From playing the games. Make sure I can see what I'm doing.
Kalau hari Rabu mau diterusin, takutnya kan nanti jamnya nggak. Apa mesti dadak open dinner lagi gitu loh. Kayaknya udah minggu depan lagi aja misalnya.
It's packs.
Minggu depan lagi aku mungkin bisa sendiri sih.
Is that the attic?
25 udah
That's not an attic.
bisa.
Alright, circus. See.
Soalnya yang di kerja sini sebenarnya dia soalnya sama Olivia doang.
Make sure you don't grab 2 instead of 1. Otherwise you may mess up. So. Guys, I love jobs.
Hey!
Bro, open up. You freaks. Place it.
Main balik main.
Who the heck is Alice? Smile. Yeah. Oh.
I don't know. You guys take break already?
First,
Take break. I don't
it's the first time I did. This is where I'm doing the lamination. I'm currently taking a break, friends.
take break 30 minutes.
Yeah. it's like-
Bro, who's bro?
I haven't said that.
Bro.
Yes. Try this.
Bro.
put 2 in 1. 10 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't break. Yay, made it.
It's 1:00 in the afternoon.
Dang, it made it. Oof, okay.
Bukunya kamu beli 3 kok cuma dikasih 2. Terus ini mau rencana kafe latte itu kayak apa? Iya, iya, prakteknya enak juga.
Maksudnya sudah kering mah?
Udah nih.
Hey guys, did you know you can put two of these unlaminated into one time? Into one, I don't know what it's called. I'll show you second, not sex. Show you. It's basically like this. Show guys, let me show you. You have 2 papers in one, like you put them on stacks. Make sure don't mess up. And then just insert it. Boom.
It's 2 minutes past 1 in the afternoon.
Shut this in. Alright, so this will show how to laminate papers. Alright, I think y'all should know how to do this. So I hope you have a talented time laminating papers. So see you in some more.